probably seen them pop up in your feed. They're stylish, they're cute, and something about them makes you stop scrolling. Yep, I'm talking about Azone dolls. But what exactly are they? Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Tatiana from the Dolly Insider. If you've been curious about Azone dolls and found yourself saying, they look amazing, but I have no idea what they are, you're not alone. Today, I'm answering one of the most common beginner questions. What is an Azone doll? But before we start, what's the first thing that catches your eye when you see a doll? Is it the outfit? The hairstyle? The pose? Let me know in the comments. Let's start with something a lot of collectors wonder about. How do you even say the name? It's spelled A-Z-O-N-E, and you might say Azone, but it's pronounced Azone, kind of like, "Ah, this doll is amazing." In Japanese, it's written as, which uses the ah sound at the beginning. So now that you know how to say it, let's talk about what makes Azone dolls so amazing. Azone dolls are fashion dolls made by Azone International, a company based in Japan. They've been creating dolls since 1998, but even before that, they were designing doll clothes for other companies. And honestly, that explains a lot. If there's one thing Azone does really well, it's their outfits. The dolls are made of vinyl. That's a fancy way of saying plastic. But this isn't the frail, cheap, bendy kind of plastic. These dolls are sturdy. You can pose them, photograph them, and they'll still look good on your shelf. Azone has over 20 doll lines, and each one has its own vibe. They fall into two groups. Original characters. Dolls designed fully by Azone, with unique names, personalities, and styles. Collaboration dolls, inspired by anime, games, and manga. Yep, your favorite characters in doll form. At the Dolly Insider, we cover 17 of these doll lines. So if you're ever looking for the latest doll news, you know where to go. Azone dolls come in three main scales. 1/12 scale, tiny and portable, fits in your hand. 1/6 scale, classic fashion doll size, great for photography. 1/3 scale, bigger and super detailed, if you got the space. So, no matter what kind of collector you are, or how much space you have, there's an Azone doll for you. Azone dolls, Japanese fashion dolls from a company with deep roots in doll fashion. The dolls are sturdy vinyl and super detailed. There are over 20 different lines that are either original characters or collabs. They come in 1/12, 1/6, and 1/3 scale, something for every shelf size. So now that you know what Azone dolls are, let me know in the comments. If you were going to start your collection today, which doll would you add first? If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Dolly fun. I'll see you in the next one.